Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tasty Treats. I am Sushmita and today I am going to make a very easy and delicious dessert recipe that you all will love. It's mango season and today I am going to make use of mangoes that one of our friends gifted us. Today I am going to make mango pudding. This pudding recipe is so easy that anyone can make this pudding with just a few ingredients and just under 15 minutes. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Tasty Treats to get more recipe videos like this. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new recipes. Also, post your valuable feedback in the comment section. So let's start now. For this recipe, I have used one ripe mango. I have cut and sliced the flesh out from the seed. Here I have taken 1½ cup of whole milk. I suggest not to replace whole milk with skim milk. Instead, you can use 1 cup of whole milk and ½ cup of half and half for a richer version of this dessert. We need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, ½ cup of sugar, ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 2 egg yolks and 2 tablespoons of butter. That's all we need to make this mango pudding. In a blender, I will blend the mango till it's smooth. Here I have not added any water. You can see smooth paste of ripe mango and I will take it out in a bowl. Next, I will pour the milk in a saucepan and add all the ingredients one by one. Be a little careful when you add cornstarch as it forms lumps very easily. So add a little at a time while you whisk the mixture continuously. Now turn the heat on medium and add butter. I will add mangoes at this point. Whisk the mixture very well. This step is totally optional. It does not alter the taste in any way. I have added a pinch of yellow food color to make the pudding look more attractive. I am adding it little at a time till I get my desired color. As you can see, the mixture has already started thickening. You have to stir it continuously so that the pudding does not get burnt at the bottom of the saucepan. The pudding is done and now I am pouring it in the ramekins in serving size and chill in the fridge for 4 hours. Serve it chilled with cream and your favorite fruit. This is mango pudding for us. This is very tasty and makes a great dessert for your guests. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Tasty Treats to encourage me making more recipe videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.